So, who's your friend that you brought?
His name is Nils.
Hello there.
He's seen better days. He didn't used to have holes in him.
People don't seem to like me. I mean, I just get shot at.
There's some battle damage.
Yeah, I don't know what the heck.
The thing everyone likes least about you now is that you punched Baby Yoda.
Well, you know,
You
he
kind of
was
had it
squirming
coming
in the
then.
bag, and you know, I had a job to do. So, what can I say?
Let's see what. Oh, okay. So none of those bullets actually went through.
Nope, not unless you get hit in the eye, which did happen when we shot this thing up. So, yeah, these lenses are not bulletproof. These are like sunglasses, basically.
So you made this.
Right. So this is
How?
3D printed over a long period of time. 3D printed. This one is a whole bunch of parts. You can actually see all the lines where it was assembled together and kind of came apart. Then we took it up to Armor Max and they bulletproofed the inside of it. So the inside here is really thick. It's heavy. It's solid. And basically we took it to a shooting range and had them shoot this thing in the face a bunch of times. And you can watch the video to see exactly how that went down, but this thing stopped all these bullets. So there's a bunch of bullets in this mask right now, which is pretty wild.
And that's what we are going to try and kind of excavate.
We're gonna do some Stormtrooper surgery and find where the bullets ended up. That's right.
See exactly how well that bulletproof material caught those bullets.
Yep. And then how the 3D printed stuff looks cut in half.
Side note, Armor Max, the company that bulletproofed this helmet, is also the company that we did the Tesla video with. We did the Road Spikes video with.
And bulletproof glass.
And bulletproof glass. So,
Yep.
small world. We never actually introduced you.
I said his name was Nils.
Nils.
That's right. I'm
From?
Nils. I have a channel called Learn to DIY where I do home improvement and, you know, stuff to fix up around the house, woodworking, stuff like that. And sometimes bulletproof Stormtroopers.
Stormtrooper helmets,
So-
you know, because those are all in the same category.
That's right. I love to 3D print. I have a 3D printing channel as well. And that kind of fell in the vein of just make something cool yourself and then have somebody bulletproof it. So
Okay, Mitchell, let's see you try and put it on now.
it's a yarmulke cuts my forehead here.
Turns out Mitchell has a really big head.
Maybe I can. There we go. About the best I can get. Can't really turn it at all. There we go. Installed.
And this is why Mitchell wasn't drafted, because he couldn't wear the uniform. And now for mounting this, it's way thicker than the max height of the Waterjet. The Waterjet can only go up about 8 inches, and this is like a foot. So we have to remove some slats. I still think that's gonna be too high. So if I tilt the, ooh, that's like really close. We'll just have to clamp it good and make sure it doesn't move. And then we should be good. Last thing we need to do is just set the material. Oh, I think I passed it. Oh, there it is. Imperial Stormtrooper. We should be good. Still steaming. I think we've got several pieces. Oh, it didn't cut through that part of the weave. Oh,
It's too thick there.
I don't know what happened. Bulletproof, not knife proof. There's all the layers. Can you even see where
Thick fabric.
the bullet holes? They were all right there. Is it in between the layers? Drain out all the sludge.
Well, here's one in the bottom. It's fallen out from cutting it.
Oh, we even cut it in
wow.
half a little bit.
Nice. Perfect shot. One bullet that looked like it went through most of these layers here. That's where it's deformed. That might have been the
I don't know if that's the bullet that fell out or it fell out somewhere
Yeah,
else.
it didn't go through that last layer though. It looks like
The bullet
the
didn't.
very last layer.
They know exactly how many layers to put on.
Well, keep in mind we shot this from like 12 feet away too. I mean, we were like just super close.
What was it? 9mm?
9mm, yeah, on the helmet.
I thought it was cool seeing the inside of this, how it looks like it's cardboard.
It's plastic cardboard. What is that called?
That's called the infill. So you can set it to any pattern you want in there and any thickness, basically. You can set it 100% solid or hollow if you want to.
Would solid like quadruple the print time?
Yes. Yeah. It just slows it down big time, and it's usually not needed.
It looked like the seam was right in the middle too.
Oh, it was, yeah. You can see
we didn't
it's even
cut
got
there.
the black in the middle there, which means it was definitely...
Yeah, the seam was right down the front of it.
Yeah, I'll bet they did half and half, because you can see there's a seam in the back too.
It looks like
Two seams
Yeah,
then, one on
yeah.
the front,
it
one on the
looks like
back.
this bullet went through.
Oh, really?
I think
Riding the
that was
seam?
close enough to the seam. Yeah, it just kind of worked its way through.
So I,
like
I have the smallest head of the group, which I'm not surprised by. So I have a little head apparently. All right, let's see if this is. Oh my gosh, nice. All right, here we go. Ooh, that's cold. There we go.
And that's how it fits.
Still fits.
So this is why Imperial Stormtroopers are bad shots. Look at that field of vision
Yeah,
here.
so
like,
I can't see I can't see the middle of your chest. Let alone see it. Like boom.
Anything above Mitchell's head or below his chest is just a blind shot.
It's invisible to me. Yeah. That explains a lot, doesn't it? Just put this thing back down, and another bullet fully intact. That's actually the most intact one I've seen.
Yeah, it's just
pop right
slightly
out.
deformed on
Barely
the
on
top.
Yep.
if only we knew where that one
I don't know where it came from. I just set it down, and it just fell right down onto the table.
Huh. We may never know.
You never know.
We have now looked at the aftermath of shooting this, but if you want to see him actually shooting this, then go over to Nil's channel, which is Learn to DIY.
Yep.
He actually built a full Stormtrooper suit, and he gets shot in it.
Yeah, I got a sneak preview of the video, and it was pretty awesome. He's wearing the full suit, shot him in the chest, I think. You'll have to check it out.
You have to go see.
So we'll have a link down in the description. We'll also have a card at the end of the video that you can click on to go check out his channel, specifically that video. He has a lot of cool DIY projects on there, a lot of 3D printer stuff. It's pretty interesting.
Yep. Please take a look, and hopefully you enjoyed watching. All right, hope you enjoyed this. Now, if you want to click right here, you can see the video where I actually made the Stormtrooper outfit and I'm wearing it and I get shot. And then if you click down here, you can see whatever it is that YouTube thinks you ought to see. And click over here if you want to take a look at the rest of my channel. In the meantime, I'm just gonna wait. You can look at me. Here's my sweet helmet.